Hey guys, it's AA STEM here. Welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be talking about insertion sorts. An insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm used in computer science to organize data by repeatedly placing each element into its correct position within a growing sorted section of a list. It works by comparing one item at a time with the elements before it and shifting larger values to make space for the correct placement. Insertion sorts are often used when working with small data sets or lists that are already partially sorted because they are easy to implement and efficient in those situations. The algorithm was commonly used in early computer systems due to limited memory and is still taught today because it helps students understand the basics of sorting and algorithm design. So how insertion sorts work are very simple. You basically take the first element and ask yourself the question if the element after it is smaller. In this case, we have a complete group of numbers 6, 4, 1, 2, and 3. And so we ask ourselves, is 6, the first number in this group, smaller or bigger than the number after it? In this case, it's bigger, so we switch positions. Now it's 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. And 6 is still bigger than 1, so we switch those two around. Now, when we switch those positions, 1 is smaller than 4, so we now switch 1 into the place of 4. And so there's still a number smaller than 6, which is 2, and we put it in the position where 6 is currently. 2 is still smaller than 4, so we switch that, and now our element list is 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, and 3 is still smaller than 6 and 4. So 3 switches with 6, and 3 switches with 4, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So here's our final conclusion. In the world today, insertion sort is still used in certain computer programs where small or nearly sorted datasets need to be organized quickly and simply. It also continues to play an important role in computer science education because it helps students learn the foundations of sorting algorithms and problem solving. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe and comment down some video recommendations in the future.